Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Now tap on Face Unlock and tap on Setup at the bottom right corner. Then enter your screen lock. Choose Continue after reading the disclaimer and keep your face in frame. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!